Welcome to digital classes. As a part of digital learning, we shall discuss about construction of triangles in our today's session. Construction of triangles. Children, by the end of this session, you will be able to understand number of elements required to construct a triangle. You will also be able to construct triangles with the given measurements and find the length of other sides and angles. You will be able to explain the type of triangle also. Children, do you know how many elements are there in a triangle? There are 6 elements in a triangle. Let us see what are those 6 elements. Look here, this is a triangle ABC and you can clearly find AB, BC, CA at sides and angle A, angle B, angle C are angles. These are the 3 sides and 3 angles which are called elements of a triangle. So, do we need all the 6 elements to construct a triangle? Definitely not. Then, how many elements do we need to construct a triangle? Let us see. We need 3 elements to construct a triangle, one of which must be a side. Children, whenever we construct a triangle, we need base. For that, we need side. That is why one measurement must be side. That is why we need 3 elements to construct a triangle, one of which must be a side. So, let us see what are the situations in which we construct triangle. We would construct a triangle in the given situations. See, when 3 sides are given, we can construct triangle. When 2 sides and the angle included between them are given, we can construct a triangle. See, 2 sides and 1 angle. Angle should lie between 2 sides. Okay. Next, when 2 angles and the side included between them are given. When 2 angles and the side included between them are given, that is ASA. Next, when hypotenuse and one adjacent side of a right angle triangle are given. Children, you can understand here what is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but longest side of right angle triangle. Here, right angle is nothing but 90 degrees, one angle is 90 degrees and hypotenuse and one adjacent side, if we know, we can construct a triangle very easily. Let us see all these situations one by one, taking an example. Okay. So, let us see when 3 sides are given, how can we construct a triangle? Let us consider an example for constructing a triangle and we will construct a triangle. Okay. Here, this is an example. Triangle ABC, we have to construct triangle ABC. When measurements are given like this, AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters and CA is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Here, AB is a side, BC is a side, CA is a side. You can take any one measurement as base, children, but I am going to take AB as base. For constructing any geometric figure, we need to draw rough sketch first. Let us see the rough sketch of this construction. Okay, this is the rough sketch. Here I have taken base as AB. You can take base as BC or CA also. Okay. Now next, from A we have taken an arc, from B another arc, so that we got our triangle here. In this way we will draw a rough sketch before constructing a triangle. Let us see how to construct a triangle. This is how we construct a triangle. For constructing a triangle, first we need to take 2 points, as we have already taken 2 base as AB. So, I am taking AB as base here. So, draw a line segment AB with 5.5 centimeter. After that, taking a compass and draw an arc from A with 7.5 centimeters. Draw another arc from B to C with 6.5 centimeters. The intersecting point of these two arcs will be taken as C. Now take a scale and join AC and BC. This is where we got our triangle. This is how we construct triangle when three sides are given. Here we need not to use protractor because all the three measurements are sides. After constructing the triangle, let us see how to write steps of construction. Steps of construction. First, what have we done? AB line segment we have taken with 5.5 centimeters. Same thing we have written here. And next, from A we have to draw an arc. An arc is drawn here with 7.5 centimeters. And from B, another arc is drawn with 6.5 centimeters. So let us take that intersecting point as C. We have taken here. Next, what have we done? We have joined AC and BC with the help of scale. We got here our required triangle ABC. This is how we construct our triangle. This is how we construct triangle when three sides are given. Let us see another situation, that is when two sides and the angle included between them are given. How to construct a triangle when two sides and an angle is given? Let us consider an example, that is SAS. When two sides and the angle included between them are given, how to construct a triangle? Let us see how to construct a triangle when two sides and angle is given with an example. This is our example. Construct triangle CAR. Measurements are given like this. CA is equal to 8 centimeters, angle A is equal to 60 degrees and AR is equal to 8 centimeters. Children, I think you have all understood what type of triangle is it. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Here what we have to find: length of CR, angle R and angle C, and what kind of triangle is this we have to say. Before that, children, you might have observed here CA is 8 centimeters, AR is 8 centimeters. Clearly you can say this is an isosceles triangle. So let us see whether it is an isosceles triangle or any other type of triangle. First we have to draw a rough sketch for this. So here I have taken AR as base. Since angle A is given, you can take any one measurement as base, CA or AR, because A is already there in base. So I am taking AR as base here. AR is 8 centimeters, angle A 60 degrees and AC 8 centimeters. Then now here I got a triangle. See, you can clearly observe here these two sides are equal. It is an isosceles triangle, but you all know that in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. That means angle C and angle R both are equal. That means here get an equilateral triangle. Let us see construction first, then we'll come to a conclusion. This is our construction. First, for constructing a triangle, we have to take 2 points. I have taken point A and point R. These are vertices. So, a line is drawn from A to R with 8 centimeters. And after drawing line segment AR with 8 centimeters, we have to measure angle with the help of protractor. I have to take angle 60 degrees and draw an array. And next from A to A you have to draw an arc with 8 centimeters. Then the intersecting point is taken as C. After that we have to join A and C with the help of scale. We got our required triangle ACAR. So here you can clearly see CAR triangle we got here. Now after that we have to measure CR and angle R, angle C. Here we got angle R as 60 degrees and angle C 60 degrees and CR measurement is 8 centimeters. So we will say that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Analysis. See, when we measured CR, we got the measurement of CR 8 centimeters and angle R is 60 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees. Already we know that it is an isosceles triangle, but after construction we came to a conclusion that CR, AR and AC is equal to 8 centimeter. All these three sides have an equal length of 8 centimeters and all angles are equal. Each angle is 60 degrees, by which we can say that triangle CAR is an equilateral triangle. In this way we will find the other angles and sides, and by which we say that which type of triangle is it. So let us see the steps of constructions. First, what I have done, AR measurement I have taken as 8 centimeters. A line segment is drawn from A to R with 8 centimeters. Same thing we have written, and then an angle with 60 degrees is drawn from vertex A. Next, from A an arc is drawn with 8 centimeters. Next we have joined CR. So we got our triangle CAR. This is how we construct triangle. This is how we construct triangle when measurements are given, and we also find the other measurements so that we can say which type of triangle is it. Next, we will see the another situation. When two angles and the side included between them are given. So far we have seen when three sides are given how to construct a triangle. When two sides and an angle is given, how to construct a triangle. Next we will see how to construct a triangle when two angles and the side included them are given. Let us see with an example. This is example. Construct triangle NET. NE is 6.4 centimeters. Angle N is given. See, children, you understand here that 50 degrees is an acute angle since it is less than 90 degrees, and here 100 degrees is given. It is an obtuse angle since it is greater than 90 degrees. So we can clearly see that we have to take base as NE here. Let us see rough sketch. This is our rough sketch. NE is given 6.4 centimeters. Angle E, as it is an obtuse angle, we have taken an angle like this, and N angle 50 degrees. So we will get our required triangle. Let us see the construction. This is our construction. First, as usual, we have to take a base. Base will be taken as NE. Here I am taking NE as base. So a line segment is drawn with 6.4 centimeters, and now take a protractor and measure angle N 50 degrees. Mark the point, and you can extend the ray how much length you want, because the two lines should intersect. That is why we are extending. Next, from E we have to take 100 degrees angle and extend the ray till it meets the first ray. That intersecting point is taken as T. Here, without joining anything, just by extending, we got our required triangle NET. After that, we have to write steps of construction. Now you have understood how to construct a triangle. Here we have taken the help of protractor. Steps of construction. First, what have I done? NE line segment. I have drawn a line segment NE with 6.4 centimeters. Same thing we have to write. And next, an angle with 50 degrees is drawn from vertex N. Next, an angle is drawn from vertex E with 100 degrees. Next, by extending those two rays, we got a vertex here T. That is where we got our required triangle NET. So this is how we construct triangle when two angles and side is given. Children, so far we have understood how to construct a triangle when three sides are given, when two sides and the angle included between them is given, and two angles and the side included between them is given. Now let us see how to construct a triangle when hypotenuse and one adjacent side of right angle triangle is given. Let us see with an example. When hypotenuse and one adjacent side of right angle triangle are given. Children, you already know that hypotenuse is nothing but longest side of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle must be 90 degrees. That is why here we got one angle 90 degrees and hypotenuse and one adjacent side. Why have I taken adjacent side? Because we have to construct a triangle with base. So here the adjacent side will become a base. Construct a right angled triangle such that AB is 8 centimeters, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next, AC is 10 centimeters. Here angle B is 90 degrees, so compulsory base should be AB or BC. Since BC measurement is not given, we have to take AB as base and AC will become hypotenuse here. So we know hypotenuse, adjacent side and angle. So in this case, how to construct a triangle? Let us see. First, for that we need to draw a rough sketch. Let us see rough sketch. This is our rough sketch. AB, angle B 90 degrees and AC 10 centimeters. So children, here we have to take base AB only since angle B is given. BC, if BC measurement would have given, we can take BC also as base. But here in this triangle, AC is a hypotenuse, AB is adjacent side. That is why we are taking AB as base. AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Then after drawing angle B 90 degrees, then from A to C arc. So here we got a triangle. You can clearly see this is the longest side of a triangle, right angle triangle. Hypotenuse always lies opposite to right angle. Angle is angle B. Exactly opposite angle B is AC. So this is hypotenuse. It is the longest side of a right angle triangle. And here AB is called adjacent side. BC is called opposite side. And you all know that in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, remaining two angles sum should be 90. Okay, let us see construction now. This is our construction. For constructing a triangle, we need to take base first. As I have taken base as AB, so taking 2 points A and B, first mark 2 points AB, and with the help of scale, join those 2 points, it forms a line segment. AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Now from B we have to take 90 degrees angle. As you all know, you can extend the angle so that it meets with the other line some at third vertex. Okay, now this is our angle. Now from A we have to draw an arc with 10 centimeters and the intersecting point is taken as C. Now join AC, will get our required triangle here. This is our base, AB is equal to 8 centimeters, our hypotenuse AC 10 centimeters, angle B 90 degrees. AC is the longest side of a triangle ABC, so it is hypotenuse. Next, we will go to steps of construction. So, angle first, what have we done? AB line segment, have drawn a line segment AB with 8 centimeters. Next, angle B, I repeat, angle B 90 degrees. From vertex B, I have drawn a line, angle 90 degrees with the help of protractor. Next, an arc is drawn from A to C with 10 centimeters. Next, we have joined AC. Here we got our required triangle ABC. This is right angled triangle. So this is how we construct right angled triangle when hypotenuse, adjacent side and an angle is given. Here we need not to know what is the measurement of the angle, since in a right angle triangle one angle must be 90 degrees. With the help of hypotenuse and an adjacent side we can construct triangle in case of right angled triangle. Okay children, so far we have learnt about how to construct triangle in 4 cases, considering 4 cases. First, when 3 sides are given, how to construct a triangle. When 2 sides and an angle is given, how to construct a triangle. When 2 angles and the side included between them, how to construct a triangle. And last, hypotenuse, adjacent side and an angle is given, how to construct a triangle. These are the cases where we can construct triangle. Now let us solve few problems. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 4.8 centimeters, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters and CA 6.3 centimeters. Children, we have taken 4 cases. First one SSS, second one SAS and ASA RHS. So first you have to identify by using which situation we can construct triangle. Here AB is a side, BC is side, CA is side. So by using side you can construct triangle. And here one important thing you have to remember is, here we no need to use protractor, we can take the help of compass and scale. Next problem, construct triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeters, CA is angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Here AB is a side, BC is a side, angle B is angle. So here we can use SAS and it is an acute angle. 45 degrees is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. So you can construct by using compass, scale and protractor. In this way we have to construct triangles by taking different situations. So children, Now you have understood how to construct a triangle when different situations are given, and you have also understood what are the elements of a triangle, and we need not to have all 6 elements to construct triangle. We need only 3 elements to construct triangle. Those 3 elements must one measurement must be side. If we have one side, out of 3 elements we can construct triangle, as we have to take base for constructing any triangle. Base should be side, that is why one element must be side out of 3 elements. And we can construct triangle when 3 sides are given, 2 sides and an angle is given, and 2 angles, 1 side is given, and hypotenuse, adjacent side of a right angle triangle are given. So these are the cases where we can construct triangle. You can also solve the problems from your textbook by taking different situations and construct triangle. So here I have given you few examples to construct triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeters, and angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Here you have to remember a small point, children. You have to identify whether it is an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. When it is coming to angle, you have to identify whether it is an acute angle or obtuse angle. If you could able to identify obtuse angle or acute angle, then it will be very easy for you to construct triangle by identifying obtuse and acute angle, so that you can place your protractor in proper and appropriate place. These are the examples you can solve at your home, and you can understand very well and be very careful in identifying the triangle. Isosceles triangle can also be an equilateral triangle, since in equilateral triangle all the 3 angles should be 60 degrees, 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Whenever 60 degrees angle is asked, then you have to think for isosceles or equilateral triangle. If the other 2 sides are equal, then it is definitely an equilateral triangle. Children, I hope you have enjoyed today's art session with construction of triangles with interesting constructions. I hope you have enjoyed this session a lot. Let us meet with some more interesting topics in our next session. Thank you.
ఆరోగ్య మిత్ర. పిల్లలకు డెంగ్యూ జ్వరం ఎలా సంక్రమిస్తుంది? డెంగ్యూ జ్వరాన్ని మనం ఎలా గుర్తించగలం? డెంగ్యూ జ్వరం నిర్ధారణకు ఏ పరీక్షలు చేస్తారు? డెంగ్యూ జ్వరం వస్తే పిల్లలను ఏ పరిస్థితిలో ఆసుపత్రిలో చేర్చాలి? పిల్లలలో ఫ్లూ లక్షణాలు ఏమిటి? పిల్లల్లో ఫ్లూకి చికిత్స ఏమిటి? ఇలాంటి మీ సందేహాలన్నింటికీ పిల్లల వ్యాధి నిపుణులు డాక్టర్ 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 సలహాలు సూచనలు ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం అక్టోబర్ 21వ తేదీ శుక్రవారం సాయంత్రం 4 గంటలకు మీ TSAT నిపుణులు. సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు 04023540326, 04023540726, టోల్ ఫ్రీ నెంబర్ 1800425409. అక్టోబర్ 23 ఆదివారం ఉదయం 11 గంటలకు TSAT విద్యలో పునః ప్రసారం.
వెల్కమ్ టు TSAT. పోటీ పరీక్షలను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని TSAT నెలల వారీగా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ని సెగ్మెంట్స్ వారీగా అందిస్తూ ఉంది. సో ఈ నేపథ్యంలో సెప్టెంబర్ 2022